Hi, TJ. What you doing? Up. Ran upstairs. Let's follow her. Where you going, TJ? Yeah, TJ. It's like, what the heck? Oh, she's so cute. So, guys, as you can see, TJ is missing an eye. Oh, she just kissed my hand. How nice. So, you see, TJ is missing an eye. Well, long story short, now I forget. Oh, yeah, that's right. So, ew, why is she shaking her butt? Disgusting. Okay, let's go follow her. TJ. Yeah, buddy. TJ. Dang it, there's no light. Teach. There she is. There she is, right there. She's right there if you can't see, guys. Come here. Come on, TJ. I think I might carry her. BRB, guys. I'll be right back. Hey, Teach. Put some light in here. I got her, guys. I got her. So, guys, here she is. See, she's missing an eye. Okay, she really loves me right now. Oh, look at that. She's rubbing on my leg. She's just a sweet cat. Once you should never scare her, because that'll be so mean. She'll start being mean to you if you be mean to her. Look. But if you be nice to her, she'll be nice to you. Look. If I itch her right there, she's gonna fall down. But instead, the railing saved her, so she didn't fall down. Look. Hi, TJ. She's looking so cute right now. Cutest cat. 2020. Yo, 2020. It's kind of this cutest cat the whole entire future. The cutest cat. Teach. She's so sweet. Hi, Teach. Guys, that cat, her name's TJ. Ginger. J-cat. This cat is the world's greatest cat in the whole future. Besides for this cat called Ginger, which was my cousin Mary's cat. She had 3 babies. Well, the babies got sick, I think. No, they had fleas, so they sold their cats to a different person. Mary wanted to visit her, but they couldn't, which was super sad. But Miss TJ and Ginger are the best cats in the whole future.